Alright, what's going on, guys? It's like right after work. I'm actually driving to go look at another car. Hopefully two I'm going to go look at. It's actually kind of funny because it's snowing out right now as well. Like the last time I went, it was snowing. But this time, actually, there's supposed to be like a winter weather advisory in effect. I don't know. There's always a winter weather advisory, but it actually looks like it is snowing pretty decently out right now. The more, I guess, east I go, it looks like there's more snow. So we'll see what's going on. But yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna go to the car dealership. I don't know. This vehicle that I'm looking at, this has been my, I guess, front runner out of everything that I've been thinking about purchasing, and I don't know, kind of, I mean, let's put it like this. I have money on me, and I'm prepared to purchase a vehicle. I don't know if it's going to work out today, but I'm prepared for it, and I've been actually watching this particular vehicle online. I've been looking at the price of this one online for a while, and it just had another big price drop. So it's been on their site for a while, and it looks like it's priced to sell. So I don't know. I'll check it out. If everything works out fine, then yeah, maybe we'll do it. But if not, then we'll just wait a little bit. But without further ado, I'm gonna keep on driving, and yeah, I'll take you guys along with me. So hopefully we can figure out what's gonna happen next. And my God, this road is so bumpy, but this road is such a nice road, though. But yeah, I'll pick this back up when we get to the dealership.
I'm not trying to die.
It's just kind of skyrocketed from there. And you can see, I mean, that's the problem with Xbox this generation, is that they've been trying to play catch up since negative day 10. You know what I mean?
Alright guys, so if you just saw that last clip and you're reading the title of this video, it's true. The vehicle I went to go see yesterday, that's the one I'm purchasing, and it's a little bit sad, but the Jeep Wrangler will no longer be on the channel. I am trading it in towards the new vehicle, but I kind of want to give my overview of my ownership of the vehicle and everything like that. It kind of sucks that it's getting dark so early right now, so I can't even like really do a full video. I wanted to do like a whole shoot, but literally I have to like hurry up and film this while I still have some daylight after work. But yeah, let's go inside the vehicle. I kind of want to give you guys what are my overall thoughts and everything of it. The first thing I want to say is, though, owning this vehicle has been, honestly, like, it's been a dream come true. I've wanted a Jeep Wrangler for a while, ever since I've told the story so many times on my channel. Since I had the first one that the dealership had to do a buyback because it had so many problems. Ever since that moment, I really wanted another Jeep Wrangler, and it took me a while to get one, but when I got this one, I was so happy. And honestly, I still am. I do believe that this vehicle, it really did live up to all my expectations. It was fun. In the summertime, taking off the doors, I took the doors off like so many times, taking the roof off, you know, just having the dogs in the back, having people over. Like, I don't know how many times we would have people come over, and like late at night, we would have everyone inside the car take off the doors and like drive around on like some back roads where it's like pitch black, and like just kind of, I don't know, just have fun. If there's one thing I will say about the Jeep, it's been such a fun vehicle for not just me, the driver, but like everyone else. That includes, you know, other people just seeing me. Like, I remember how many times I had the doors off. Other people would just see me driving. They would like wave, like little kids would wave, give me thumbs up, like on our street. Yeah, if that's one good way to put it into words, what a good, I don't know, representation of the ownership of having a Jeep Wrangler is fun. And that's kind of just it. You know, honestly, like, when people see you in a Jeep, that kind of it gets people instead of a different mood. People aren't like I feel like people are less likely to have road rage against people who are in Jeeps, because it's like how could you hate someone who's in a Jeep? Like, honestly, I've had more people give me compliments on this car than I had inside of my Camaro that I had before this. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like everyone pretty much loves it, and you know, but that's as I'm saying that, I have to be honest though. There's some good and there's some bad. I mean, some of the bad things, obviously, with the Jeep, it's especially if you get the older ones. Like this is obviously this is a 2010. It's a JKU. This has the 3.8 liter V6, and you know it's underpowered. That's for sure. And you get bad fuel economy, but that's to be expected. You are getting a Jeep. That's part of it. Even with the newer 3.6 liters, the Pentastars. In the Jeep, they're not that great on gas. I mean, if you're getting it inside other vehicles, they're a lot better. But it's just, it has to haul around basically a brick. And let's be honest, it's not going to be that aerodynamic. You're not going to have that great a fuel economy. So yeah, there's that. I mean, there's the obvious. If you are going to get a Jeep, I would highly recommend, if you're going to get a JKU or JK, I would highly recommend getting a 2012 plus, probably 2013. Only because that first year of it being the engine, I know that there was some problems with the Pentastar inside the Jeep inside 2012. So if you can, I would get a 2013 plus, just because you get the better interior and you get the better engine. And honestly, the interiors with the older, like 2007 through 2010, like my year, these interiors, they especially nowadays compared to other vehicles, this looks so ancient. This is absolutely so ancient. But there is a bit of charm to it. Like, as I'm just looking around, there is some charm to it. I mean, when I first got the Jeep, I wanted this interior because I said this interior, it's totally fine. I can have it. It can get wet. I can have the doors off, and it definitely did that before. I had the roof off, and it poured down raining, like just poured. Granted though, maybe it was like a couple minutes of it just pouring without me coming in and closing the roof, but it poured and everything was fine. That's the good thing about having a Jeep. I don't know. I've said it enough. I'll just continue saying it one last time. It's just been so much fun, and especially the community around it. I mean, I feel like it's only comparable to like other like motorcycle riders, of how like motorcycle riders, you stick together, you see someone, you always wave, you know, you help other motorcycle riders. I feel like it's been like that with the Jeep Wranglers as well. Like, honestly, I think even to a greater extent, I would say, just because even like, part of the like JKU or JK like Facebook group, and there's like a local one here, the Western New York Jeep Club, or whatever it's called, but you get what I'm saying. Like, everyone on there is like super nice. People are like, yeah, this is me. Either you moved from somewhere else or you're trying to find like a local like meetups and stuff like that. The community has been great. Seeing other people driving by, waving, everyone, it's been great. And honestly, I'm going to miss that aspect. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm going to miss that aspect far greater than anything else. It's just the community that it's been. Honestly, like now on my commute to and from work, I see the same dude. He has like a lifted Jeep too. It's like a brown one, and he has like, I don't know, it's really nice. I see him every day. We always wave. It's totally cool. So I will miss that aspect. So with that in mind, I will let you guys know right now, the next vehicle I bought, it's not another Jeep Wrangler. I really wanted to buy another Jeep Wrangler. That was, that was in the back of my mind. I was going to buy a newer one. Because like I said, the main reason why I'm getting rid of this one is because of the daily driving aspect of it. It was starting to wear on me, just because, well, my model that I have is like a bare bones like sport, so it doesn't have like power locks, power windows, or anything like that. And just me over time, that was just starting to wear on me a bit more. I wanted to buy a newer Jeep, but an opportunity came up for me to purchase something else. That's what I went to go look at yesterday. And I know how a lot of people say like, oh, I got it for a great price, No, I literally got this for a great price. Like, the price I got it for what I'm getting, it's I'm happy with it. Like, ecstatic about it. So with that in mind, I'm not going to say what I got. I'm actually going to go pick the car up tomorrow. So I'm going to film this today, at least my final thoughts and everything. It sucks that it's so crappy out. I mean, we just got some like heavy snow today. I don't think the snow's going to stick, but so I couldn't really like do any like cool like cinematic shots. But you know, honestly, I think it's better sometimes to just kind of sit here and talk to you guys and let you guys know what I'm thinking. But yeah, so with that in mind, I'll give you guys one hint. The only hint that I'll give you guys is that it's all black, and I really think you guys are gonna like this. If you are a fan of Jeeps, or if you're just a fan of like automotive stuff in general, you're gonna love this. Be excited for different type of videos. I've done a lot of videos on this Jeep, and you know, I did videos before on my other cars, and I really think that you guys are gonna like the type of videos that I have in mind for the next vehicle. The next vehicle. So yeah, with that in mind, this is the last time I'm gonna be saying, you know, should be the last time you guys see this Jeep on the channel. And yeah, I don't know, it's been real. I love it, and I hope this car has been, you know, reliable to the next person. It's been really reliable for me, so really happy about that. So with that in mind, like always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give it a like. Check out some of the other videos that I've done. You know, a ton of videos on this Jeep, and I think you guys are going to be excited for the next video I'm going to do, and the next car I'm going to have. But yeah, if you want, follow me on Instagram, OmegaGreed. Like always, follow the website, geekswithcars.com, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. See ya. Cleaning out the vehicle one last time, taking out all my stuff, my Easy Pass camera, this guy, floor mats, everything else that's extra, the car seat covers and stuff like that. Everything's going to be coming out of the Jeep. It's a little bit sad, but it has to be done, so I'm going to do it. So the car's completely cleaned out. I have just some stock pieces in here. I'm going to just open this up. I have the stock tire carrier, and side rails and everything like that. Everything else is off of the car that I wanted to keep. Man, this bad boy's dirty. I cleaned out everything in here of value that I want to keep. One other thing that's going to stay with the car, this thing is so hard to take off, I'm not going to bother taking that off, but everything else is off. So yeah, it's kind of weird looking at it like this. It doesn't even look like my car because the inside is almost basically cleaned out, so it looks pretty stock. So yeah, happy about that.